Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. We are back with another quick and instant recipe of chocolate fudge made with only 2 ingredients. And if you will enjoy this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, then subscribe us and click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. So let's start making chocolate fudge. To make chocolate fudge, first of all take 5 into 7 inches pan with melted butter or oil and line with a parchment paper and spread some more butter or oil and line another parchment paper or a baking paper and spread some butter or oil on it. Make sure to prepare this before you start making fudge, as it's a very quick process and we need it ready to pour our mixture in it. Once it's ready, then place a heavy bottom pan on low heat and add 1 tin of condensed milk, which normally contains 397 grams of condensed milk. And you can easily make condensed milk at home, and I have already mentioned the link in the description box, so watch that video if you want to make condensed milk at home. Now add 350 grams of semi-sweet chocolate cubes or chocolate chips. I have just chopped up chocolate bar. I prefer chocolate bar over chocolate chips, but it's entirely up to you what you want to add. Keep stirring for 4 to 5 minutes or until the chocolate melts completely and it becomes quite smooth paste. As you can see that it's mixed really well and we have got smooth paste. It's now ready to go into the tin that we had prepared earlier. Now pour the chocolate mixture into the prepared tin. Spread it evenly and tap it gently and freeze it for 3 to 4 hours or until it sets. Once it's set, then take it out of the tin and then cut them into small cubes or however you prefer. And enjoy this delicious 2-ingredient rich and chocolatey fudge whenever you want. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel. And make sure to click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist from the screen. And you can subscribe our channel using the link on the screen or link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay connected.